All right, so you should have your textbook open to lesson 50. We're going to do exercise 1, which is dealing with exponents, okay? So you've learned how to express repeated multiplication as a base and an exponent. First equation shows a set of tens. What's the base? Okay, very good. The base is 10. The base is shown 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, what's the exponent? Very good. The exponent is 6, so the whole set is 10 to the 6th. Next, below that, right there, we have the same set of tens, but in 2 groups. These groups are multiplied together. How many tens are multiplied in the first group? Very good, 2. So that group equals 10 squared. Say the base and exponent for that group. Very good, 10 squared. Go to the next group. How many tens are in the second group? Very good, 4. Say the base and exponent for that group. 10 to the 4th. So another way to show 10 to the 6th, after multiplying these together, is 10 squared times 10 to the 4th. So what's another way of showing 10 to the 6th? 10 squared times 10 to the 4th. Very good. So 10 squared times 10 to the 4th is another way of showing 10 to the 6th. The next thing that we're going to look at here, 10 squared times 10 to the 4th is equal to 10 to the 6th. So the next thing that we're going to look at here is this set of tens in different groups. So how many tens are in the first group? So we got this group and this group. How many are in the first group? Okay, good. 3. Okay, so 3. Say the base and exponent for that group. 10 cubed. How many tens are in the other group? Okay, good. 3. Say the base and the exponent for that group. 10 cubed. So 10 cubed times 10 cubed equals 10 to the 6th. So what's another way of showing 10 to the 6th? 10 cubed times 10 cubed. So if the base number, so question 1. So if the base number is shown 6 times, the exponents must add up to 6. So if the base is shown 6 times, what must the exponents add up to? Very good. 6 is the correct answer. Question 2. If the base is shown 9 times, what must the exponents add up to? Very good. 9 is the correct answer. If the base is shown 5 times, what must the exponents add up to? Very good. 5 is the correct answer. So for part 2 in your textbook, for each item, you'll write the complete equation with exponents. So let's go to problem A. The multiplication shows 8 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 7 times. So say the base and exponent for all the 8s. You ready? It's 8 to the 7th. All right, so say that, 8 to the 7th. So no matter how the 8s are multiplied together, the exponents must add up to 7. You can see the groups set off with parentheses. Okay, so we've got our first group, or a second group, and a third group. So touch the first group. Tell me the base and exponent you'll write for the first group. Okay, very good. It's going to be 8 squared. Notice that we have one 8 and another 8 in that first group, so 1 plus 1 is 2. If we go to the next group, tell me the base and the exponent for that group. Okay, when we multiply it, so now we got 8 to the 3rd power, or 8 cubed. There are 3 8s, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, times the third group. Tell me the base and exponent. 8 squared is correct. So, the exponents are 2, 3, and 2. Do the exponents add up to 7? Yes, of course they do. So the whole equation is 8 to the 7th equals, 8 to the 7th equals 8 squared times 8 cubed times 8 squared. Go ahead and say that equation. 8 to the 7th equals 8 squared times 8 cubed times 8 squared is the correct way to say that. Write that equation and put your pencil down when you're finished. Okay, go on to problem B. Go and put your pencil down when you're done, and we'll look at those answers.